Seed starting, a beginner's guide to planting basics. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, seed starting. This is a term often used in gardening and agriculture, but what does it really mean? Let's dive in and find out. Seed starting refers to the process of germinating seeds to start growing plants. It's the first step in gardening where seeds are planted in soil or a growing medium. This is an important stage as it sets the foundation for a healthy plant. Understanding this term is not just about language, but also about a basic gardening concept. Seed starting is crucial because it controls the growing environment of the plant at its most vulnerable stage. By starting seeds indoors, gardeners can ensure the right temperature and moisture levels, which are vital for germination. It also allows gardeners to get a head start on the growing season, especially in regions with short summers. The process involves several steps. 1. Selecting seeds. Choose the right seeds for your environment and season. 2. Preparation of the growing medium. Use a soil mix suitable for seed germination. 3. Planting the seeds. Place seeds at the correct depth in the soil. 4. Providing proper conditions. Ensure adequate warmth, light, and moisture. 5. Monitoring growth. Watch for the first signs of sprouting and continue to provide care. New gardeners might face challenges like overwatering, underwatering, inadequate light, or choosing the wrong soil type. It's important to research and understand the specific needs of the seeds you are planting. To enhance success, consider these tips. Use a quality seed starting mix. Maintain a consistent temperature and moisture level. Provide adequate light once seeds sprout. Be patient and monitor the seeds regularly. We hope this video has shed some light on the phrase, seed starting, and its importance in gardening. Remember, gardening is not just an activity, it's a way of connecting with nature. Happy gardening and happy learning!